Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to change a cabin air filter in a 2014 Honda Accord. Alright, so the first thing is, this is the part that I have for the cabin filter. You can take a look. They have other cabin filters that has scent to it, but this one is just, you know, like a normal carbon air filter. The first thing that you would want to do is open up your glove compartment, and on your glove compartment, as you can see, you have this on this side. What you do, you push this in. So the same thing with this side, you do it with the other side over here. You push that down. Once you push that down, you will have a latch that's over here on this side. As you can see, what you do is that you just push it back. Once you push it back, it clicks off. So you mean push it back to do that, and push it forward to lock it back. So I'm gonna push it back to unlock it, and then because you push this out, the whole glove compartment goes down. Now, as you can see, the air filter is located in here. You have a button over here that you press. As you can see, the arrow says push it inwards, and the same thing over here. The arrow says push it inwards. So what you do, you can do one at a time, or you can do it both at the same time. So you take that out, and then over here you have the air filter. As you can see, this is how it looks. Looks real dirty. Should have changed it a very long time ago. Alright, so as you can see, when I pulled it out, it says the airflow is supposed to be going downward. So you can see the arrows, and even in here, it actually gives you directions where it says airflow going down. So just mark it the same with what you have on your air filter, you know, like the arrow going down. So right here, I'm gonna take out the air filter. All right. So as you can see, it says airflow going down. All right, so like that's how you're gonna put it in. Move this out the way. Do is just slide it in, push it in all the way. All right. Now that you push that all the way, go ahead and install this back. Install that back. Make sure that it's secure and that it doesn't move. And now you just go back to putting your glove compartment back. So like I said, once you push it up, just get this to basically be locked into place. Okay, that's locked into place. You just pushed it up. Glove compartment goes back in. It snaps into place. Same thing with this side. Snaps into place. And as you can see, that is how you change your cabin air filter from your glove compartment. It's 1, 2, 3, simple and easy. All right. Please like and subscribe. Honda 2014 cabin air filter replacement. And if you want to look at it again, this is the part that I had. So I got it at AutoZone, but you can go to any auto shop that you know, and then I guess just ask for the year of your car, and you should be able to get your cabin air filter.